Gujarati speciality which is Gathiya no shaak, which means gathi ki sabji. Now the best part about this vegetable is even if you're out of those basic things like onion, tomatoes and garlic, you can still make this dish and it is going to be the star recipe in your house. So without any further ado, let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making Gathiya no shaak. And guys, if you do like this recipe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon, which is equally important, so that you don't miss out any of my future new videos. Also guys, it's free of cost, so why wait, right? And now let's proceed. Okay guys, so for this recipe, we are going to make the gravy as well as the Gathiya in the house. We are not using the ready-made Gathiya because that is actually not how you make the Gathiya ka shaak. And so, for making the Gathiya, you're going to need 1 cup of besan, which is gram flour, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is haldi powder, half teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, a pinch of hing, some salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. For the gravy, you're going to need 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, some salt and a pinch of hing, along with 1.5 teaspoon of the Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, which is haldi, and 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin powder, which is dhania jeera powder. And now let's begin our process. So in a large mixing bowl, let's add the besan, which is gram flour, followed by the salt, then the Kashmiri red chili powder, then the coriander cumin powder, which is dhania jeera powder, turmeric, which is haldi powder, and a pinch of hing. And let's mix everything in. And now let's add 1 teaspoon of oil and mix again. Now I'm going to add very little water, say about 7 to 8 teaspoons, and make a semi-soft dough. Be careful here, as if you add more water and the dough becomes too soft, then you will not be able to make Gathiya. And now let's keep this dough aside. You can also apply a little bit of oil to your hands if the dough is sticking too much. And now it's time to work on the gravy. So in a kadai, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of oil, and once hot, I'm going to add the hing, followed by the Kashmiri red chili powder, and then let's add 2 cups of hot water. Why don't we add the rest of the masalas? And while we wait for the water to come to a boil, so let's start with the turmeric powder, which is haldi, followed by the coriander cumin powder, which is dhania jeera powder, some salt, and now let's mix everything in. And now once the gravy comes to a boil, let's take the Gathiya dough in our hands and place it on top of the whole spatula. And then let's start pressing it using our fingers or using our palms. This is a bit of an exercise, so be patient, okay guys? Also, if the dough is too tough and not going through the holes, then just add 1 or 2 teaspoons of water to make it a bit loose. Once you have all of the dough run through the whole spatula, then cook for the next 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame. After 7 minutes, our sabji is ready to serve. And guys, don't worry if the gravy is a little watery, as it will thicken as soon as the veggie cools down even a little bit. And now I can't wait, so I am digging in. The Gathiyas have cooked so nicely, nice and soft. They kind of melt in your mouth, but they have this amazing texture to it. Guys, definitely do try it. So much better than buying store-bought Gathiyas. And you saw how easy it is to make it in the house. Do let me know what you think about this recipe once you try it. And guys, do not forget to click on the subscribe link right here and do it right now. And do click on this link as well, because these are amazing recipes. Don't miss out on this one as well. So do click on these links and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, take care. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, I've been eating this since childhood and it's amazing. Bye. Take care.